Hello, my friend. Do you want to understand fast English? That's a great goal, but maybe it feels hard. You hear English on TV, YouTube, or movies, and it sounds too quick. You say, "What did they say?" The words come fast. They mix together. Some words sound soft or disappear. This is normal. You are not alone. Many people feel this way when they start listening to real English. Let me ask you something. Do you understand your English teacher in class? Probably yes. Your teacher speaks slowly and clearly. They say every word. They stop between sentences. This is helpful, but real life is different. On the street, at work, or on the internet, native speakers speak fast. They do not stop. They do not say each word slowly. Where do the words go? Why is it so fast? That is the question. The answer is, in real life, native speakers join words. They connect them. They say I'm instead of I am. They say gonna instead of going to. They say whatcha doing instead of what are you doing. These small changes make English fast, but they are normal. It's how people speak every day. You might know the words. But when someone says them quickly, you don't hear them. Your brain is not ready yet. It needs more training. But that's okay. You can learn. You can train your ears. You can train your brain. It just takes time and practice. Let's think about this. Did you ever learn a song? At first, the lyrics were hard, but after 3 or 4 times, you started to understand. That's because your brain listened again and again. This is how language works. Listen more and you will hear more. What can you do today? First, relax. You don't need to understand every word. You only need to understand the idea. Next, listen a little every day. Watch short videos. Listen to slow and fast English. Try to catch the main point. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. There is another reason fast English feels hard. It is the rhythm. Native speakers don't speak like robots. They use music in their voice. Some words are loud, some are soft. Some words are long, some are short. For example, I didn't say that. Strong on didn't, but I didn't say that. Strong on say. This rhythm can change meaning. That's why it's important to listen to how people speak, not just what they say. When do they stress words? When do they speak fast? This helps you understand more. So what should you do now? Let's learn step by step. Let's train your ears. Let's listen to real English. Let's practice short sentences. You can do it. You did many hard things in life. This is just one more step. Remember, you are not alone. There are many people just like you. They also want to understand English. So let's do it together. Now let's talk about how you can train your ears to hear fast English. Don't worry, this can be fun and easy. Let's look at some ways that really help. You can use these every day. The first method is called repeat and pause. This is simple. You watch a short video, you listen to one sentence. Then you pause the video. Say the sentence out loud. Can you say it like the speaker? Try to match their speed. Try to match their sound. This trains your mouth and your ears. Do it again and again. It will help. Another great method is 1-minute rewind. What do? Find a short video, just 1 minute. Listen to it. No subtitles. What is the topic? What do you hear? Then watch it again, this time with subtitles. Pause after each sentence. Repeat the sentence. You can ask, what words did I miss? Or did they say gonna or going to? Let's add music. Songs are fun. You can use music to learn. Pick a short English song. First, listen without the lyrics. Can you feel the rhythm? Then read the lyrics. Listen again. Try to sing. Don't worry if you are not a good singer. Singing helps you remember words. It also teaches rhythm. Do you want another fun way? Try listen and imagine. You close your eyes, you hear a short sentence. You make a picture in your mind. For example, he jumped in the car and drove away. What do you see? Do you see a man running to a car? This is how native speakers understand. They do not think word by word. They imagine. Now here's something many students love. It's called echo practice. You listen to a sentence. Then you repeat it right away like an echo. Try to say it fast. Try to copy the speaker. This is good for speaking and listening. At first you might say, this is hard. But after 5 tries you will smile. You will hear the sentence better. You will say it better too. Let's try an example together. I will say, what are you going to do? That's slow. Now I say, what you gonna do? Can you hear the change? Now you try. Say, what you gonna do? That was good. Another question. Where can you find good videos? YouTube is great. You can watch short stories, cartoons, or interviews. You can search Easy English Listening Practice or Learn English Conversations. There are so many options. One more thing, make this a habit. Try to do 5 minutes each day. You might ask, will 5 minutes help? Yes, if you do it every day, your ears will get strong. Your brain will listen faster. You will understand more English. Step by step, day by day, you will grow. So let's do this together. Let's make English listening fun. Let's listen, repeat, and learn with a smile. You can do this. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to get better every day. Try one thing today, try another thing tomorrow, speak out loud. Listen to short clips, repeat small phrases. Say, I can do this. Confidence is not something you have or don't have. It is something you build. Step by step, day by day. Think about a baby learning to walk. Did the baby fall? Yes. Did the baby stop? No, the baby stood up again. You are learning English the same way. Small steps, small wins. Keep going. Ask yourself, what can I do today? Maybe you can repeat 3 sentences. Maybe you can listen to 1 short story. Maybe you can watch 5 minutes of a video. These small things matter. They help your ears. They help your brain. They help your heart. Let me ask you, where do you feel strong in English? Speaking? Listening? What do you want to improve? You can write your goals on paper. This helps. You can say, I want to understand 1 video this week, or I will practice 10 minutes every day. Sometimes you will feel tired. That is normal, but don't stop. Take a break. Then start again. You did hard things before. You can do this too. You are not too old. You are not too slow. You are learning. That is strong. Let's try a simple practice together. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I can understand more each day. I will not give up. Say these words every morning. Say them when you feel weak. These words are strong. They give you power. Also, learn from your mistakes. Did you miss a word? That's okay. Did you say it wrong? No problem. Try again. Every mistake is a lesson. Every try is a win. Use your phone to help you. You can record your voice. Say a sentence. Then listen. Did it sound clear? Try again. This helps you speak better. It also helps your listening. Watch videos with people who speak slowly and clearly. Watch with subtitles first. Then watch again without subtitles. What do you understand? What do you miss? Try again. Here's a fun idea. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Say what you are doing, like, I am making tea, or I will go outside. This helps your brain think in English. It is good practice. Let's do one more thing together. Smile. Yes, smile. Learning is better when you feel good. Smile when you practice. Smile when you learn. This tells your brain, I like this, I want more. So what did we learn today? Confidence grows with practice. You should speak more. You should listen more. You can use your voice. You can try new things. You will get better. Just don't stop. Let's say this together. I will understand fast English. I just need to listen, repeat, and enjoy the journey. Let's learn with fun. Let's grow every day.